Hi kids, welcome to today's class, and this is the content of English. See, you have three units here. Unit number 1 is a world with robots. Unit 2, my hobbies. Unit 3, time for a journey. Correct? So let us begin with unit 1, a world with robots. Repeat after me kids, a world with robots. And here you can see a picture of a robot and a girl, and the girl name is Nila. Okay, look at the dialogue here. Hi, I am Nila. I like making robots. Do you? Kids, do you like to make robots like Nila? Robots. You can see robots here. What is a robo? Robo is a man-made machine. Got it? It takes our instruction and it works according to that. Fine. Here you can see a little dictionary. It's a Pictionary column here. A little Pictionary. Picture with meaning here. Look at this. Repeat after me. Lazy. Lazy is adjective. What is the meaning of lazy, kids? Not ready to do any work. It is called as lazy. And look at the second picture. What is it? Come on, guess what? It is a sack. Sack is a noun. A large bag used for storing and carrying goods. You could have seen this sack, rice sack. If your mommy or daddy wants to store some rice or grains, they will store it in the sack like this. It is called a sack. Let's see the next picture. Come on, guess what? This is called as a rack. R-A-C-K, rack. And N stands for noun. A stand to keep things. Rack is a stand to keep things. Got it? And let us see the next picture. Guess what? Guess what? It is called as humanoid. Humanoid, N stands for noun. Something that looks like a human. Humanoid is a machine that looks like a human. Got it? And what is the next picture here? Guess. It looks like a machine, right? This is called as expo, exhibiting, like exhibition. Expo is a noun. A large international exhibition. Expo means a large international exhibition. Got it? Here you will have in Gobichetipalayam some expo, exhibition like thing, like displaying car, displaying bikes, or displaying some toys or robots. So it is also called as expo. Got it? Okay, let us move on to the first unit here. The title of the unit is The Trick Robo. What is the title? The Trick Robo. Okay, here you can see a boy and his father. And then you can see a robo here. Got it? Okay, let us start the lesson. Follow clearly. Vicky was a lazy boy. So Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. He pleaded to his father. He pleaded means he requested. He begged to his father to buy him a robo to do his work. What was Vicky pleading? What he was asking his father? He was asking that he wants a robo. Why he wants a robo? Because he is a lazy boy. He doesn't want to work. So he wants the robo to work for him. Got it? So yeah, Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. But what was Vicky's father wish? Vicky's father wanted Vicky to become an active boy, but he is a lazy boy, So that's why he wants a robo, so that the robo can do all his work and he can simply sit. Understand? So he bought him a trick robo. So his father had a plan. So he bought a robo which has trick, some plan. Got it? Vicky did not know that it was trick robo. He was glad to have a robo to do all his work. Okay, students, here in the first paragraph, what do you understand? You understand that Vicky is a lazy boy. Can you see this boy? He is called Vicky. He is a lazy boy. So he is asking his father to buy him a robo, so that robo can do all his work. So he can sit simply. But Vicky's father had a trick. So he bought a trick robo. Trick means the robo will not listen to the boy. Clear? That was Vicky's father plan. Because his father wanted Vicky to be brisk, very active. Clear? So here, the next thing here you can see. Vicky is excited to test his new robo. So Vicky's father bought a trick robo for Vicky, and here you can see the dialogue between Vicky and robo. So Vicky is saying to robo, "I am hungry. Cook some salad for me." So the robo replies, "I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad." So robo is answering, "I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad." So robo refused to do Vicky's work. Got it? Let us see the next page. Here you can see. And next Vicky says, "Robo, what? You are a robo. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now." So he is giving a mop to the robo to clean the room. So robo answers, "Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that." So again robo refuses what Vicky says. Robo is not ready to do what Vicky is saying. Robo is saying, "I cannot do this. I will get back pain if I do this." So Vicky becomes angry. Okay. So here let us go for a quick recap. What is the name of the chapter, kids? The name of the chapter is The Trick Robo. Okay. And the conversation between Vicky and father. Vicky wants a robo. Here you can see the robo. So we have dealt all these things. I wanted you to read page number 77 and 78. Till this I wanted you to read. And read this Pictionary column. Can you see this Pictionary? You have to read and write this Pictionary column one time. Got it? Fine. That's all in today's class. Let us continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.